Hello everyone, I am Chrizzel Sarroza, and today I will be performing my final experiment, which is the infrared remote control. In my previous demonstration, as you remember, I performed the dot matrix.
Stay with it, you don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
This time, I will add a remote control function that will allow me to stop, play, and pause my animation just by using an IR remote control.
The materials that I will be using are the same from my previous task. Arduino Uno R3, CH340G port, connecting wires, the breadboard, 8x8 dot matrix LED display. Of course, we added the remote control and the IR sensor. Schematic diagram. Breadboarding. Okay, let's start first with the IR sensor. The source of the IR is connected to the pin 6. The ground is connected to the ground of the 8x8 matrix, while the VCC is connected to the VCC of the 8x8 matrix. Then from the 8x8 matrix, the VCC of the 8x8 is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino, while the ground is also connected to the ground of Arduino. The data in is connected to pin 12, the chip select is connected to pin 11, and the clock is connected to the pin 10. Coding. Verify. Upload. Testing of output. And for its final output, one for stop, 2 for play, 3 for pause.